Yo! Today we're gonna be reacting to Doja Cat! Paint the town red! Let's do this! Ha ha! What's up, everybody? My name is King Freddy, and I'm ready to bust up in this bitch like confetti. And today, we're gonna be reacting to Doja Cat's newest hit, Paint the Town Red. But before we do all of that horse gravy radish shit, if you have not joined my Royal Core family yet, go ahead and do that by hitting the subscribe button down below, clicking that notification bell so you can receive all the notifications for all of my videos delivered directly to you. Let's do this! Doja Cat, you're up to the bat! From the top to the bottom, front to the back. Let's do it. Okay. Damn. Is she gonna fuck me or kill me? What in the holy fuck? So far, I'm liking the melody and the trumpets. You know what I mean?
Yeah, bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said.
Damn, bitch, she said what she said. She'd rather be famous instead. She'd fucking paint the town red. Come on, girl. Drop it like it's hot. Shake it like a salt shaker.
Rather be famous.
Hang on a second. Roll it back. Top to the bottom, front to the back.
Yeah, bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel, she put her foot to the pedal.
She's a devil, she's a bad little bitch, she's a rebel. Come on now.
Get to my head, I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel, she put her foot
To the pedal.
It'll take a whole lot for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel, she put her foot
To the pedal. It'll take a whole lot before she settles.
Yeah, said my happiness is all of your misery. I put good in.
Her happiness is all of your misery. Come on now.
Little bitch, she a rebel, she put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot.
What is this, the Black
Said
Daenerys Targaryen?
my happiness is all of your misery. I put good dick all in my kidneys. This small gel don't come with no jealousy. My illness don't come with no remedy. I am so much fun without Hennessy. They just want my love and my energy. You can't talk no shit without penalties. Bitch, I'm in your shit if you send for me. I'm go.
You can't talk the shit without penalties, bitch. She's in your shit if you send for her. Her doesn't rhyme with it, but you know what I'm saying? I can't say me because it ain't me.
I am so much fun without Hennessy. They just want my love and my energy. You can't talk no shit without penalties. Bitch, I'm in your shit if you send for me. I'm going to glow up one more time, trust me. I have magical foresight. You gon' see me sleeping in courtside. You gon' see me eating 10 more times, ugh. You can't take that bitch nowhere, ugh. I look better with no hair, ugh. Ain't no sign I can't smoke.
She always be posting photos like a motherfucker on Instagram with her with no hair. Her most recent post, bro, got her looking like a motherfucking alien. But, you know, that's Doja Cat's style. She just buck wild up in this bitch.
in courtside, you gon' see me eating 10 more times, ugh. You can't take that bitch nowhere, ugh. I look better with no hair, ugh. Ain't no sign I can't smoke here, ugh. Yeah. Give me the chance and I'll go there. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil. She bad little bitch. She's a rebel. To the pedal. For me to settle. She's a devil. Little bitch, she's a rebel. To the pedal. For me to settle. Come on. Make money now, you try, bitch. You could use a revamp with a new vibe, sis. I don't need a big feature or a new sidekick. I don't need a new fan, cause my boo like it. I don't need to wear a wig to make you like it. I'm a two-time bitch, you ain't knew I'd win. Throw a shot like you tryna have a foot fight then. All my ops waiting for me to be you, I bet. Said, I got drive, I don't need a car. Money really all that we fiend.
She said she's got drive, she don't need a car. Holla at your boy one time. That is what I call a fucking bar.
You ain't knew I'd win. Throw a shot like you tryna have a foot fight then. All my ops waiting for me to be you, I bet. Said, I got drive, I don't need a car. Money really all that we fiending for. I'm doing things they ain't seen before. Bands ain't dumb, but extreme is all. I'm a demon lord, fall off what, I ain't seen the horse. Called your bluff, better cite the source. Fame ain't something that I need no more. Cause bitch, I said what I said. I let that be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let that get up to my head. I can't paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel, she put food
under the pedal.
It'll take a whole lot for me to settle.
She's the devil,
she a bad little bitch,
she's a rebel. Put to the pedal. It'll take a lot of a meat to the settle.
She a bad little bitch, she a rebel, she put food
to the pedal.
It'll take a whole lot for me to settle.
You know what I just realized? She is the 2023 version of Missy Elliott. Straight up. Like, this is the kind of video style and the kind of like, what, you know, creative, you know, lengths that Missy Elliott used to go to. It's the same kind of style-ish, but, I mean, it's her own style, but it's in the realm of that neighborhood. If you know what I mean. But yeah, it's crazy. Like, people right now may look at her and some people might be like, man, this chick is weird. She's kind of crazy. But that's how people used to look at Missy Elliott a lot. You know what I mean? And because there hasn't been any kind of creativity like that in music videos for quite some time, since music videos have been delegated to YouTube. You know what I mean? People aren't used to that shit. So now when they see it, they're like, what in the holy fuck? But, you know, me being in the 40s club, unfortunately, or fortunately, I mean, that means I'm still alive. I grew up on Missy Elliott, so I remember this kind of shit. And Busta Rhymes. Busta Rhymes was like the male version of Missy Elliott in terms of the creativity in his videos, too. And just the creative freedom that he expressed.
She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel, she put foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle.
That's tight. She crazy though, for real though. She the type of girl that would fucking murder you in your sleep. Let's give Doja Cat a round of applause, homie. King Freddy approves. Well, wasn't that tantalizing? If you have not yet joined my Royal Court family, come on now, holla at your boy one time. Hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you can receive all the notifications for all of my videos delivered directly to you. Like and share this video. Put a little King Freddy in somebody's life and brighten up their day. And comment down below what you want to see me react to next. And if I haven't already seen it, because I am a certified YouTube junkie, then I will react to it. Until next time, peace!